Hey Siri, call Manila. Let's set up your Siri on your iPhone 11, 11 Pro, Pro Max running with the latest iOS 27. Let's get started. So first open settings, then scroll down and tap Siri. Now here turn on Siri, then select continue. So if you're asked to sign in, just go for not now. And next tap request from here and choose Siri or Hey Siri from the option. Now simply repeat the phrases shown on the screen. Let's start it. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. So once you have completed the setup, Siri is ready to use. And while you are here, make sure press the side button for Siri is turned on. This lets you activate Siri anytime by simply pressing and holding the side button, even if you don't wanna use your voice. You can also customize Siri by tapping Siri voice to choose a different voice.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
Or language to select your preferred language. And that's it. Siri is now set up and ready to help. Thanks for your time.